Picture this. You know something valuable, something people would genuinely pay to learn, and right now, you have nowhere to put it. With Vyroq Courses, that changes today. Head to the courses page and hit New Course. Give your course a title, click Create Course, and Vyroq drops you straight into the editor. No setup wizard, no friction. Here's where it gets powerful. Fill in a summary, a description, your difficulty level, and a cover image. Every field auto-saves the moment you move away, so you never lose a single change. Then build your curriculum. Click Add Section, name it, and add lessons inside. Each lesson can be a video, a text chapter, a document, or a quiz. Change the type in one click. For video lessons, upload your MP4 and Vyroq handles the rest. It transcodes and streams everything as adaptive HLS, so your learners get smooth playback on any device, anywhere. Set the price, flip visibility to public, and hit publish. Your course goes live in the catalog. Free enrollment or paid checkout instantly live. Then flip to the Students tab. You'll see who enrolled, track their progress lesson by lesson, and preview exactly what your learners see, all from one place. That's your first Vyroq course, built, priced, and live. Start yours today at vyroqi.com.